Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi.
Here we have this absolutely stunning Audi A5 Cabriolet in sports specification with the 40 TFSI 204 PS engine and slick automatic S-tronic gearbox, and it comes finished in a solid ibis white paint finish. This approved used A5 is a 70 plate which has had just one previous owner, having done just 16,976 miles with a full Audi dealership service history. Some of the key exterior features include the striking LED headlights, the gorgeous honeycomb style radiator grille, as well as the stylish 18-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloy wheels, whilst of course the main feature is the electrically folding black cloth roof, and the folding time can be as quick as just 16 seconds, whilst it can be done at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, perfect for those blue sky days. Meanwhile, finally, the boot easily opens with just a press of a button on your keys, and as you can see, it's a relatively large and spacious boot for a Cabriolet, with 370 litres of capacity, plenty of space for just popping to the shops, for example. And here we have the rear two seats, which are gorgeously finished in black twin leather, and these seats feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, as well as the rear zone of the free zone climate control. Meanwhile, the front interior is even more impressive, with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, alongside the silver aluminium ellipse inlays, which help to really refine the look of this interior, whilst the stunning front sport seats feature 4-way lumbar support. One of the key interior features of this A5 is the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as the satellite navigation or the onboard computer right ahead of you. And complementing that, there's a 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, including the satellite navigation, alongside DAB digital radio, external media connectivity as well as telephone connectivity, and there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay wirelessly, and there's also the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile. And with just a press of a button, the rear view parking camera and front and rear sensors come up on demand. This stunning interior also boasts easy to use free zone climate control and heated front seats, whilst in the centre console there's a USB port, a couple of cup holders, the slick S-tronic gear shifter, the easy to use controls for the folding roof, and underneath the central armrest there's the Audi phone box, so you can wirelessly charge your phone whilst on the go.
This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.